Hello students, today we are going to learn our next chapter, that is chapter 4, factors and multiples. Okay, so first we will study about what do you mean by factors and multiples. So the factor of a number are the natural number that are multiplied to find that number. Okay, if we understand in general, then if we say AB is equals to C, if A is multiplied by B, then we get C. So A and B are factors of C. So this A and B will called as the factor of C. And what will be this C? This C is called multiple of A and B. Let's try to solve it with an example, so we will understand. If I write 3 into 13, what will be the result? 3 into 13 is 39. So in this case, this is A and this is B. So 3 and 13 are factors of 39. Okay, so we got here 3 into 13, that is 39. So this 3 and 13 are called factors of 39. And what will be this 39? This 39 is multiple of 3 and 13. Okay, क्या किया हमने? 3 into 13 किया था, हमको मिला 39. So we know that ये 3 और 39 जो है उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? फैक्टर्स बोलेंगे. और ये जो इंटू करने के बाद जो हमको रिजल्ट मिला है, दैट इज 39, उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? मल्टीपल. किसके मल्टीपल्स हैं वो? 3 और 13 को, क्योंकि 3 और 13 को मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद हमको क्या मिला? 39. So that are called the factors and the multiples. Okay, let's move to the next topic. You have learned it in your earlier classes also. These are the common terms. Even numbers. What are called even numbers? So numbers which are multiples of 2 or the numbers which can be divided by 2 are called even numbers. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 16, all these are even numbers. Odd numbers means the numbers which are not multiple of 2 are called odd numbers. Example 1, 3, 7, 9, 11, 13, etc. Next is prime numbers. So what are prime numbers? Natural numbers which has exactly 2 factors, namely 1 and itself. Here you have to look very carefully. What are prime numbers? Numbers which have exactly 2 factors. And what are the 2 factors? That is 1 and itself. Itself means the number itself. For example, 2. What are the factors of 2? 1 and 2. Okay. 3. What will be the factors of 3? 3 किसके टेबल में आएगा? 1 के टेबल में आएगा और 3 खुद के टेबल में आएगा. So what will be the factors? 1 and 3. Same in the case if we take 11. 11 कौन से टेबल में आता है? 1 के टेबल में आता है और itself मतलब खुद 11 के टेबल में आता है. So these are called the prime numbers which has only 2 factors, that are 1 and itself. Okay, next is composite number. What are composite numbers? A natural number having at least 1 factor besides 1 and itself is called composite number. That means 1 itself के अलावा उसका एक और फैक्टर होगा, that will called as composite number. For example 4. तो 4 के फैक्टर्स कौन कौन से होते हैं? एक तो 1 हो गया, 1 के टेबल में 4 आएगा, 2 के टेबल में 4 आएगा और 4 के टेबल में 4 आएगा. इसके अलावा और किसी टेबल में 4 आएगा क्या? No. So it is having 1 and itself, and beside these 2 it is having one more factor, that is true. So that are called the composite numbers. We can take any other example like 6. Okay, 6 will come in which? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Oh sorry, and 6 itself. Okay, so this is called the composite numbers which will have a number or which will have at least 1 factor besides 1 and itself. 1 and itself के अलावा उसका एक और फैक्टर हो सकता है. So that is called the composite number. Okay, let's move to our next topic, that is prime triplet. So the set of three consecutive prime numbers having difference of 2. So three prime numbers which will have difference of 2 between them, that are called prime triplets. Okay, for example 3, 5, 7. 3, 5 and 7, all three numbers are prime numbers. Okay, and they all have difference of 2. See here, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. Or if we subtract 5 minus 3, then there will be difference of 2. 7 minus 5, then there will be difference of 2. Okay, so the only prime triplet which we have is 3, 5 and 7. Okay, so the prime triplet means consecutive prime numbers having difference of 2 between them. Next is twin primes. What are twin primes? Two consecutive odd prime numbers are known as twin primes. Okay, two consecutive odd prime numbers. Okay, so here we see example 3 and 5. Two numbers and both the numbers are consecutive and prime. Second, we can take example 5 and 7. Okay, both are prime and both are consecutive. Okay, 5 and 7, 11 and 13. So in this way we can say that these are the twin primes. So two consecutive odd prime numbers are known as twin primes. Okay, next is co-primes. Numbers which do not have a common factor other than 1. Other than 1, there should not be any common factor, then that number is called co-prime number. For example 2 and 3. Okay, 2 और 3 के मल्टीपल्स कौन कौन से हैं? मल्टीपल ऑफ 2, 2 के मल्टीपल है 1, 3 का मल्टीपल भी है 1. सो दोनों का कॉमन मल्टीपल क्या हो गया? 1. ओके, सो दैट मीन्स 2 and 3 आर व्हाट? को-प्राइम्स. हमने अभी पढ़ा नंबर्स विच डू नॉट हैव अ कॉमन फैक्टर अदर देन 1. ओके, 2 और 3 का कोई कॉमन फैक्टर है अदर देन 1? ऐसा कोई नंबर है जिसमें 2 और 3 एक साथ आते हो? नो, ओनली 1 के टेबल में 2 और 3 आते हैं. इफ यू टेक अनदर एग्जांपल 3 and 4, तो 3 और 4 जो है दोनों, ऐसा कोई कॉमन नंबर है या फिर कॉमन टेबल है जिसमें 3 भी आता हो और 4 भी आता हो? नो, देयर इज ओनली वन कॉमन, दैट इज वन नंबर इज कॉमन. ओके, 1 के टेबल में भी 3 आता है, 4 भी जो है वो 1 के टेबल में आता है. सो देयर इज ओनली वन कॉमन फैक्टर विच इज 1, नंबर 1. सो दैट नंबर्स आर कॉल्ड को-प्राइम नंबर्स. नेक्स्ट इज परफेक्ट नंबर्स. If the sum of all the factors of a number is 2 times the number, then it is called perfect number. Okay, so if we find out or take an example, if we find out factors of 6, what are the factors of 6? Factors of 6 मतलब ऐसे numbers जिनके ऐसा टेबल जिनके नंबर में 6 आता हो. ओके, जैसे 1 के टेबल में 6 आता है, 2 के टेबल में 6 आता है, 3 के टेबल में 6 आता है और 6 के टेबल में भी 6 आता है. So 1, 2, 3 and 6 are called factors of 6. Okay, so factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Now if we add them, that means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6, we get 12. Okay, so can we write 12 as 2 into 6? Yes, 12 means 2 into 6. That's why it is written that if the sum of all the factors of a number is 2 times the number. Okay, here we have find out the factors of 6, and this factors of 6, if we do the addition we get 12, and 12 is 2 times of 6, that is 2 into 6. That's why 6 is called a perfect number. So our next topic is prime factorization. What is prime factorization? So every composite number can be factorized into prime numbers. Okay, we can divide every composite number into prime numbers. Okay, to find such factors, what we do? We divide the number by prime numbers. Okay, see here, every composite number can be factorized into prime numbers, and to find such factors we divide the number by prime numbers and express it as product of prime numbers. So that is called prime factorization. So there are two methods of prime factorization. First is factor tree method, second is division method. Generally we use method second, division method, for large numbers. If we have small number, we can solve it using factor tree method. If we have large number, then we have to use division method. So let us try to understand these methods one by one. First is factor tree method. What is this factor tree method? If I take one example, a number 36, then what are the factors of 36? There are many factors, okay, 1, 2, then 4, then 3, okay, many factors. But if we see here, I have written 9 and 4 because 9 into 4 is 36. So 9 and 4 are multiples of 36, okay. So again, this 9 is not a prime number, and in prime factorization we have to do until we get prime numbers. So 9 will come in which table? 3 into 3, 3 3s are 9. So what are the factors of 9? 3 and 3. Here we get 4. What are the factors of 4? Prime factors of 4? 2 and 2. Okay, so what are the prime numbers we get at the last? 3, 3, 2 and 2. Now we can write 36 as 3 into 3 into 2 into 2. So this is called prime factorization using factor tree method. Okay, all of you understood this 36, that is called 9 and 4. Factors of 36 are 9 and 4. Here we can also write what are the factors of 36. Factors of 36 are 2 and 18 also. Yes, we can write because 2 into 18 is also 36. Then what are the factors of 18? Factors of 18 are 9 and 2. Yes, factors of 18 are 9 and 2. Then what are the factors of 9? Factors of 9 are 3 and 3. Okay, so we get all the prime numbers at the last. You can see here 2, 3, 3 and 2. And one more thing you have noticed, whether we take any of the factors, the final result will be same. In this I have taken factors 2 and 18. Here I have taken first factors 9 and 4. Then also I got result 36 equals to 3 into 3 into 2 into 2. Here also I have taken 2 and 18 first, but the final factors are 3 into 3 into 2 into 2. Okay, so the final result will be same in factor tree method using whatever factors you solve the question. So when the numbers are small, we can solve it using factor tree method. Let us come to the second method, that is division method. I have taken here one example, that is 1260. We have to find out or do the prime factorization using division method. So using division method, how we will do it? See here, 1, 2, 6, 0. We have to find out prime factors, so we will do division using prime numbers. 2 is the smallest prime number, so if I take 2 here, so 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6 and 0 as it is. Again divided by 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Okay, now it will be divided by 3, 3 1s are 3 and 3 5s are 15. Again, can we divide it by 3? Yes, 3 3s are 9 and 3 5s are 15. We got as 35. Now can it be further divided by 3? No. 35 comes in the table of 5. So 5 7s are 35 and 7 1s are 7. So here you can see we get all the prime numbers. So what will be the factors of 1260? It will be 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 and into 7. So in this way we can solve the prime factorization using division method. Also in this type of question you have to write down the factors which you got in the form of exponents. Okay, all of you know exponents, so in the form of powers. So here 2 comes how many times? 2 times. into 3 comes how many times? 2 times. So 3 to the power 2 into 5 is 1 time, into 7 is 1 time. So if anyone asks you to write it down in the form of exponents or in the form of powers, so we have to write it down like this. Thank you for watching the video.